as per your requirement. I just add the vendor list there to bit summarize of your vendor in here. These are your vendors. These vendors in here also. In there we mark it as short, no, short vendor name, no. You need to give them a proper name like garden sample, like that, mj, like that, you can give. Okay. Also, if you have telephone number, you can mark that one also in there. Remark, if you have any remarks, you can remark test there. Don't think about that, just put it for this. Okay. After that, once you inventory in there, in the sheets you have the producer master sheet, and they are as per same as per your headings. I just set columns there. In there you can click plus mark -2 with the inventory module, right? Okay. Stocks. Okay, and these are the vendors. In the right side I put the right side of the vendors, and the order quantity, how much you are going to order from this. Once you click the order, it will get the order amount, not the inventory amount. It's getting the order amount and the how much total we ordered, and the number of orders in this sheet, just for reference for you. Same like that, other sheets are being adjusted and data were added as per your data there. You can click in any time, go to the up every time. If I miss, I just save it and then up. Okay. After that, it's there if you want. And the order sheets, once you going to print that order sheet, go there. Today is coming, just look, only I add these two criterias in the producer. Look, I just add these orders. These are the re and bona. And now I am going to PFG. In here PFG is not there now. Look what happened after I add some order to PFG. Just add 10, then go to the order. Look, PFG appears now. Go to the PFG, click the PFG. This is the quantity I just did. If I go to the drop down corner, all the things will come like that. You can get the only the, if there's any order have for that particular vendor, it will showing only the these vendors names, otherwise it will show everyone. That's why I just simplify that. If there's an order, it will come automatically to there. Okay. Like that you can put also the you ask me for the vendor. In here also in print layout, look, file print, look, heading is coming everywhere. Just you just click the print area and print. I think you know that. Okay. After that, inventory module also some that one. Okay. In the inventory module, in the this is the category, and you just can drop, not like previous. I added drop down here. Look, finally grocery sheets, it's showing grocery sheets data only. If there's a no inventory in house, it's not showing. I'll show you in the produce meat. These are the inventory in house. I'll go to the chicken Monday order and see. I just put in there. Look, I just put 10 and go to the inventory. Look, it's come up here. Okay. Then I just go to again. I just set in house. In here 50. Look, the inventory module, it's come 50. Okay. Then beginning and end purchasing is your data. This one is coming automatically, no need to worry. It's coming every data, not in this specific criteria. Look, its change is not allowed to in here ending inventory, because ending inventory means all the total inventory you have. Okay, it's coming automatically, not linked to there. Okay, then I just going to again, then cost of sales and everything will automatically calculating. These things you need to define. These are the things you are going to add. Others are coming automatically. Look, equation I added. And then this is the way you want it. Simplify most of the time with the drop down. Look, every vendor is coming there. You just need to fill. These are the short terms. Look, short terms. From the short term you can add any specific names there, correct name. That's why I want to know. I just put whatever you want there. Please check that out and ping me if there anything you want. Okay, bye.